Hello, everybody. I am Shalu Popli. I am from Pune and I am a life fulfillment coach and a mindset trainer. I help working professionals who struggle with constant stress to break free from the stress, to discover fulfillment and start manifesting their dream life. Okay, I help them with manifesting their dream life. Why am I here today? What is the purpose of this live today? Is I want to tell you, I want to share with my Facebook family that what I do and how it all started. So, I'm going to share with you my backstory, and I hope it will help you. You will learn something from my story. And whatever I'm going to speak about today is it will be filter free. There will be no filters in that. Okay. Whatever I'm going to speak today, that will come directly from my heart because I haven't much prepared for this. I just thought of, okay, what is my story, what it should be, and I'm going to tell you that. Okay. Now, the thing is, see, everybody is going through some or the other struggle in their life. Yes, everybody has struggles. So, for me also, this story starts from a struggle only. Yeah. I was working in IT. I started working in IT since 2006, and I was pretty much okay in that job. The life was going good. And then I got married in the year 2009. A massive shift happened, biggest change, right? So what happened was so many responsibilities came on me and I was doing job. There were many expectations from in-laws, from husband, from the work, right? And it was a intercaste marriage, love come arranged marriage, yeah. So there were cultural differences as well. So that pressure was also there on me. What is stress basically? Stress is a kind of pressure, right? The stress can be of two types, good stress and bad stress. Technically, they have different names, but here I'm just speaking in a layman language. So, there is a good stress and bad stress. Now, what is good stress? Good stress is something that we feel out of excitement, that we are going to do something, we have to do something, and we are excited about that thing. That is a good stress. Then there is a negative stress, yeah, negative pressure that is on us that creates bad or negative energy in us, which is the bad stress. Yes. So what happened was there were so many expectations from everybody. I had family commitments, I had commitments towards my husband, towards my work, social commitments, right? So I was like, बोलते ना, boiling in the pressure. Yes. So I was boiling in the pressure and I used to feel so much stress and I was not able to communicate that to anybody. It was the year 2010. I was married since 1 year then. And I used to feel like मेरी लाइफ में तो अब कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. यस, सारा दिन सिर्फ ऑफिस वर्क, घर का झगड़ा, यही सब, all the things, right? And that pressure, how I used to show up, it used to show up on my husband, it used to show up in my work in terms of shouting, screaming and low performance at my work. Yeah. So that's how I was struggling with that so much. Because see, stress जो होता है उसके फोर ही रीजंस होते हैं. Either your health is not good and you feel stressful, or you are facing some lack of money, wealth issues are there, that creates stress. Then you may have some relationship issues. Yes. Or you are not happy with yourself, you have self esteem issues, self confidence issues, right? So I was struggling with pretty much couple of these. Yeah. So in that pressure, I used to feel like nobody is there for me, nobody cares for me, nobody loves me, nobody hears me, I'm unheard. I feel like, yes, somebody must be there for me. Yeah. So one evening, Saturday evening in 2010, I decided कि ये ऐसे तो नहीं चल पाएगा. I cannot live life like this. So what I thought, I left from home. I thought, okay, let me end it today. So I left from home. I had some negative thoughts in my mind. I went to a mall. I sat there. I sat there for hours. Then I thought, life cannot be lived like this, and I think I am not meant for this kind of life. Then I came back home. Something happened, and I came back home. I thought, okay, I have to do something because even if I end it, I cannot give this pain to my parents and to my sibling. So I came back home, and then very next Monday, I was reading a newspaper in the reception area of my office. Okay, that time I was very fond of the newspapers. I used to read this Astro and quotes and the news and all. Yeah. So I read a quote in that newspaper, and that quote said, "The change starts from within." I don't know what happened to me, and I thought, anyways, I don't have anything to lose. So let me try this. Let me see if I work on myself, my environment changes or the people around me changes, because I had a thought कि मैं खुद को change करके फिर भी क्या करूँ? If I change, people won't be changing now. How can my environment change in that case? Yes. So I thought, okay, let me do that. Let me try it. Immediately, I went to the office library. I grabbed a couple of self-help books, and then I started reading those books. See, I have been a deep thinker since my childhood. So what I was doing is whatever I was reading in the books, I was implementing on myself because I was doing that research kind of stuff, right? Experimenting. That time there were no life coaches and people. I mean, it was a taboo topic if you talk about the stress and mental health issues and you're going to the psychologist, yes. So that time, that option was not open for me. So I started reading books and I started implementing on myself, and actually, I started seeing the changes. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what worked for me. See, when we feel lonely, actually, we are not alone. We have our own company. That I understood. Yeah. So, what I started doing is if I am not able to communicate properly, because how I used to communicate in stress, I used to scream, I used to fight. And I was consuming so much of negativity from the gossips, from my environment, from my work, from everywhere. वो होते हैं ना व्हाट्सएप पे स्टेटस डालते हैं लोग, कोट्स डालते हैं किसी और को कुछ और बताने के लिए, दिखाने के लिए, यस, रिवेंज रिवेंज वाला फीलिंग के लिए पीपल जस्ट पोस्ट अ कोट ऑन दी व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस और उनको लगता है वाओ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा अगर सामने वाले ने पढ़ लिया तो। देन वी चेक कि जिसके लिए लिखा है उसने पढ़ा या नहीं पढ़ा, राइट? इट हैपन्स, आई यूज टू डू दैट अ लॉट एंड इट यूज टू हिट दैट डोपामिन, दैट हैप्पी हार्मोन इन मी कि हाँ सामने वाले ने पढ़ लिया है, नाउ आई एम रिलैक्स्ड. But I was not knowing that it was also increasing that negative energy in me. So when I started this journey since 2010, I learned that focusing on ourselves is the most important thing. Yes, when we work on ourselves, when we work on building our future, then nothing else matters. You know, हमारी expectations दूसरों से कम हो जाती हैं. When we connect with ourselves every day, we start understanding other people as well. And that I have experienced personally. उसके बाद स्ट्रेस क्या होता था? I need to complete this book in one day. Sometimes I completed couple of books in one day only. Some books in 1 week. So मुझे क्या होता था, मैं जितना पढ़ लूँ, I used to hit, I mean, this dopamine used to get hit to me when I used to get that knowledge. Okay. So मेरे knowledge लेती गई, उसको पढ़ती गई, उसको implement करती गई, and I think I improved a lot. And it took me 10 years. It took me good 10 years. Yes, 1 decade. So, yes, my relationship improved with my in-laws, with my husband, and then I started improving my performance in my work as well, because my initial friends, our colleagues knows that how I used to perform earlier, right? I was totally full of negativity and all. So when this pandemic happened, I happened to be in one of the session of one life coach. And whatever she was teaching, I was thinking, I already know all these things because I had read all these things in the books. Yes. So I thought, okay, I know all these things. Why don't I start helping others? That time I decided, okay, let me go ahead about this professionally. So I did many certifications, ICF certification, International Coaching Federation certifications of life coaching, executive coaching. Then workplace coaching was offered to me by my organization, so I completed that. I did this NLP coaching, then mindfulness. When I found this law of attraction, I think 7 years back, I read this book, The Secret, and that changed me completely because I understood that we are a magnet. तो हमारी लाइफ में जो कुछ भी होता है वी आर अट्रैक्टिंग दैट थ्रू आवर एनर्जी सो इफ़ वी जस्ट फोकस ऑन आवर एनर्जी दैट मीन्स keeping our energy high or the right, everything around us changes. And then I realized and analyzed कि अभी तक जो मैं 10 years से कर रही थी actually I was working on my energy. Yes, so law of attraction helped me a lot. I manifested my daughter. I manifested many other things in my life. So this is how it all started, and then I found the purpose of my life because I was seeing in my family, in my friends, ki how people are lost in life. Whatever life is throwing at them, they are just living that. But life is not just about living. Life is about creating. आपको क्या चाहिए? You can actually create that. You can create happy moments. Why to wait for the happy moments? Create those. Yes. So that's how it started, and now I feel that I feel very fulfillment inside when I am able to reduce the suffering of other people, when I am able to save the life of people who are thinking to give up. Yes. So yes, that's about my story, and I hope you learned something from this, because the learning I get from my story is whatever happens happens for the good. आपकी लाइफ में जो स्ट्रगल्स आ रहे हैं ना, those are there to make you learn something. Those are the lessons of life. We have to learn something from them. Those are not the bad phases, you know. Life में ups and downs आते रहेंगे. Those are like the seasons, but they do not stay permanently. Yes. So that's what I have realized, and yes, life happens for us. It is not that it is just happening to me कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है. No. If we live consciously, if we think about it consciously, we will get to know कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. It is happening for us. Yes. You know, we have just this much vision. इतना सा vision है हमारा, और हम उस vision में फंसे रह जाते हैं. But God has a bigger vision. Yes. And that vision is much much better than us. So हम सिर्फ जब हम उस सिचुएशन में होते हैं हमें पता नहीं चलता है. वी लूज आवर, आई वुड से, एनालिटिकल abilities when we are in the situation. We cannot see what is good in that. But if once we start to learn to find the good in that, life becomes easier. Yes. So let me check if there are any messages, Bhavini. So true. Thank you so much, Bhavini. So that's about it. I will end this live here, and please stay tuned. I will be coming live tomorrow as well. I'll be talking about more what I do. Okay, I'll be giving the details about that. So I hope now it is clear what I do and why I started doing that, because it gives me fulfillment. And I realized that I was always behind the fulfillment. I was looking for fulfillment, that inner peace. And now in this work, I find that inner peace. Yes. So I will be talking about in my further lives how to manage stress, how to deal with stress. Yes. So stay tuned for that. For next 7 days, I'll be coming live at the same time. Hope you learned something. Please, I would say, comment your takeaway from this story of mine. And if you can take any action for yourself today from this story also. Please also comment that whether you are watching live. If you are watching live, type live. If you are watching a replay, type replay, so that I get to know how many people are watching it in the replay. Yes, thank you so much. And yes, God bless you. Have a great day ahead, great evening ahead, and I shall see you tomorrow. Thank you.